Welcome to another exciting video on AI breakthroughs. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence to explore the groundbreaking Orca model developed by Microsoft Research. But before we dive into the topic, we kindly ask that you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. This way, you won't miss any future updates or new videos that we post. Thank you. Microsoft has released a new research paper on Orca, short for Open Source Reasoning with Complex Explanation Traces of GPT-4. Orca is a 13 billion parameter model that learns from complex explanation traces of GPT-4, the most powerful language model in the world. Orca is a breakthrough for open source AI and is set to be open source soon, which means anyone will be able to use it and build upon it. It will enable more people to access the power of GPT-4 without having to pay for it or deal with its limitations. Orca will also open up new possibilities for AI research and development, especially in areas that require more reasoning and understanding skills. Let's explore why Orca is poised to revolutionize the field of AI and surpass its predecessors. Unlike traditional models that merely imitate larger counterparts, Orca learns from the explanations that GPT-4 gives when it generates its answers. These explanations are not just simple sentences or phrases. They are detailed traces of how GPT-4 thinks step by step, how it uses logic and common sense, how it connects different pieces of information, and how it simplifies complex concepts. By learning from these explanations, Orca becomes much more capable and intelligent than other models. One of Orca's most significant advancements is the implementation of explanation tuning. Rather than relying solely on imitating outputs from larger models, Orca delves deeper by understanding the reasoning process behind the prompt and response. This innovative technique enables Orca to provide more accurate and insightful answers, setting it apart from other models. Orca's capabilities are further amplified through the utilization of the FLAN 2022 collection, a vast dataset of tasks and instructions provided by Google. With tens of millions of instructions at its disposal, Orca is primed to handle a diverse range of complex tasks and demonstrate exceptional performance in various benchmarks. Orca's performance is nothing short of exceptional. It surpasses other open-source models in various benchmarks, particularly those requiring deep reasoning skills. It even competes head-to-head with models like ChatGPT and achieves impressive results in tasks such as natural language inference and image captioning. It surpasses other instruction-tuned models by an astounding 100%, showcasing its superior ability to reason and comprehend complex tasks. Moreover, Orca exhibits competitive performance on professional and academic exams like the SAT, GRE, and LSAT, indicating its potential to assist in educational settings. Orca's success provides valuable insights into the future of AI. Firstly, it highlights the significant impact of learning from explanations in enhancing AI intelligence and performance. By understanding the reasoning process, AI models can mimic human-like thinking and deliver more nuanced and accurate responses. Secondly, Orca proves that smaller models can rival or even surpass larger models, challenging the notion that bigger is always better. This opens doors to more approachable and efficient AI solutions. Lastly, Orca exemplifies the potential of open-source AI. By combining GPT-4's capabilities with open accessibility, Orca opens doors for more people to harness advanced AI models without the constraints of proprietary systems. Let's now explore the real-world impact and use cases where Orca AI can make a significant difference. Imagine having an intelligent virtual assistant powered by Orca, capable of understanding and responding to natural language queries in various industries. From automated customer support systems that handle complex inquiries to content generation tools that assist in producing engaging articles, Orca can streamline processes and enhance productivity. Moreover, Orca's robust data analysis capabilities make it an invaluable tool for decision support systems, empowering organizations to make data-driven and informed choices. In conclusion, Orca represents a paradigm shift in the field of AI. By learning from complex explanation traces, Orca not only matches, but often exceeds the performance of larger models like GPT-4 and ChatGPT. Its remarkable progress in complex zero-shot reasoning benchmarks and its potential to assist in educational and research settings make Orca an AI model to watch closely. As we move forward, we eagerly anticipate the open-source release of Orca, which will empower individuals worldwide to explore new frontiers in AI research and development. Stay tuned for more updates on this incredible journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who share our passion for AI advancements. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence.